Having this space obviously is a phenomenal opportunity for families, for our organization, for the community. So adding another 8,000 additional square feet onto our campus and bringing all that capacity to bear is going to have an enormous impact for Cape Coral, for Southwest Florida, and for the autism community. We couldn't be more grateful to kick this project off. Mark and the entire team at Stevens Construction has been absolutely unbelievable to work with. From the very first project we took on this campus all the way to this big renovation project, couldn't be more grateful to Stevens Construction for all the support and help that they've done for Family Initiative and for the autism community.
They pour their heart and soul in what they do every day. It's all about the community they serve.
And like David said, we couldn't be more grateful for Stevens Construction. I don't think we could have found a better partner for Family Initiative. The support from everyone on the team to show up on a day like today has meant the world to us. So we're thrilled. We can't wait to see this start working, continue working, and where we're going to go together.